Now, we are talking about the great circle, right? So we have the equator as a great circle and the longitudes. So these lines that runs from the west going to east are called latitudes, and the lines that runs from north to south or south to north are longitudes. So this circle here is, this latitude here forms a circle, of course, which is considered to be a small circle. So is even that one. So on the latitude, the only circle that is considered to be the great circle, it is the equator. The remaining ones are small circle, and they have their own radius. And the great circle has its own radius, which you just from looking at, which is 6,370. Then one might get to wonder, what are these latitudes and what are these longitudes? So latitudes, these lines that runs from west going to east, west going to east, are imaginary horizontal circles. All right, they are imaginary horizontal circles on the surface of the earth. Okay, these are imaginary horizontal circles on the surface of the earth. And of course, like I said, our equator, which is 0 degrees, is a special latitude because it's considered to be a great circle. And not only that, it divides the earth into two equal parts called hemispheres. It divides the earth into two equal parts, and these two equal parts are called hemispheres. No wonder we have southern hemisphere and we have northern hemisphere. All right, so this equator, all right, it has the radius of 6,370, that of the radius of the earth. It is for this reason that the equator is now, or it is the reference of all the latitudes. When we are finding the difference in latitude, we use the equator. Okay, we use the equator as our reference, with the southern hemisphere and the northern hemisphere, just like that. Now, with the longitudes are also imaginary semicircles. Longitude are imaginary semicircles, meaning that they divide the earth into two equal spheres. All right, two equal spheres. This is why we have western hemisphere and the eastern hemisphere. All right, we have in the west part and we have the east part.